So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Mandela. Today I am at Ather Grid. So it is one of the charging points in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad there are so far 12 charging points around the city. So I am here at Almond House. So this is one of the points of Ather Grid. So remaining 12, so there are remaining 11 locations also available, and one of the location is Ather Space Center. It is located in Silparamam. So as this point is near to my locations, I came to this Ather Grid. So in this video I will tell you how to connect to this Ather Grid and how can you use free charging with this Ather Grid. So for more interesting videos on electric vehicle channel, please subscribe to our channel. Firstly, if you are a owner of an electric two-wheeler, so most of the electric vehicles can be charged with a 3-pin plug. So this is also, I actually have one electric scooter with me. So this scooter actually given by one of our subscribers to use to ask us to review. So I have taken this electric scooter. So this electric scooter can be charged with a 3-pin plug. So now I will show you a demo of how you can charge this electric scooter with Ather Grid. If you want to use this charging station, you need to install this app called Ather Grid. So I will show that in video. So once you open this Ather Grid, it will show the nearest locations of Ather Grid. So as this is the nearest location to me, Almond House, Kukatpalli, I need to choose that. I need to select this QR code. So once you have opened this QR code, you need to simply scan this QR code. So it will show like I have connected. So once you scan the QR code, it will ask you to connect your 3-pin plug. Right now I didn't connect any plug now, so I will connect this 3-pin plug. So to do that, you simply need to open this. Then there is a 3-pin point here. So now I need to say okay, I have connected. So right now it is showing 30 minutes. So you can select your time duration, how much time you need to charge. Now I have selected 1 hour or 1.5 hour, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, 3.5, 4 hours, 4.5, 5 hours, 5.5. So it's showing a maximum of 10 hours. So you can select as you wish. But right now I just want to show a demo to you. So I'm just using 30 minutes. Then you need to press on start charging. And you can see the charges here. It is 0 actually, because Ather Energy is giving free charging option for now. Maybe in the coming days, in the next few months they may charge. But for now, the Ather Energy is giving free charging option. So now you can press the button start charging. So you can see the light is not blinking. Once you press this button, it starts blinking. You can observe that. So it indicates that your charging is started. So anytime if you want to stop the charging, you simply need to press the stop charging. Once you press the stop charging, your charging will stop, and you can simply remove your 3-pin plug and you can keep it inside. And there is one more charger also here available. This is a Type 2 connector charger compatible with Ather 450X electric scooter, and this location is only for electric two-wheeler charging and Ather 450X electric scooter. But in the remaining another 10 locations, there are few locations giving option of electric car charging also, and that is also with free of cost. So this is how it charge. You can keep you don't need to worry. But the only thing is, if you start open this lid, if someone open this lid and if they open this, it will stop. The red indicator will show. If it is showing red, means the charging will stop. So overall, it's a good option for electric vehicle users located in Hyderabad. And if you are using an electric vehicle inside Hyderabad premises, please utilize this Ather Grid. Ather Grid is so far available in 12 locations, and we will mention the 12 location address in the description below also. And anybody who want to charge your vehicle for free, please utilize these charging stations. Not just this charging stations also, but Hyderabad also having fast charging options as well, like Photom charger is there in Kukatpalli, and some other locations also in main metro station there are fast charging stations available, and we will cover those videos as well in this coming days. And the location in precisely, if you visit the Forum Mall and you take a U-turn from the Forum Mall, then you will reach Almond House, and at Almond House this is the Ather charging it. Then there is this Ather Grid is available, and please to charge your electric vehicle and don't worry about range anxiety. For more interesting updates on electric vehicles and genuine information, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. Go green, go electric.